Chapter 1, Shloka 40 till 47. This is the last part of Chapter 1. First Shloka 40. Kulakshaye pranashyanti kuladharma sanatanaha dharme nashte kulam kritsnam adharmo bhivavatyuta. Kulakshaye, with the destruction of an entire family or a destruction of an entire race, sanatanaha kuladharmaha pranashyanti. The traditions of the family and the race, which are sanatanaha, which have been passed on from generation to generation, over a long period of time, they will disappear, pranashyanti, they will go away. Dharme nashte kulam kritsnam adharmo bhivavatyuta. Adharmo bhivavatyuta, we have to split it as adharmaha abhibhavati uta. So with that, adharma will come. To whom? Kritsnam kulam. For the complete family, adharma will come. Because with the destruction of an entire race and family, people who know about the Kula Dharma will not be there, they will not be existing. So automatically there won't be anybody to advise on matters of Dharma, and Adharma will take over. Shloka 41. Adharma bhivavat Krishna pradushyanti kulastriyah strishu dushtasu varshneya jayate varna sankarah. So Arjuna says, hey Krishna, adharma bhivavat. With the coming of adharma, kulastriyah pradushyanti. So the women in the family also get affected, their mind goes in wrong directions. So though the war is largely fought between men, the adharma caused by it will have an impact on the women as well. Strishu dushtasu varshneya. So hey Varshneya, with that, jayate varna sankaraha. Varna sankaraha, intermixture of castes will happen. Shloka 42. Sankaro naraka yeva kulagnanam kulasya cha patanti pitaro hesham luptapindo dakakriyaha. Sankaraha narakaya eva kulagnanam. Kulagna, the person who is causing the destruction of the entire family and race, Kulagna, for him Narakaya eva. For him it will be Naraka. And also Kulasyacha, for the entire race. Patanti pitaro hesham. So the pitaraha, the ancestors, patanti, they will fall. Lupta pindo daka kriyaha. Pinda udaka kriyaha. We all know that Shraddha is performed for the departed ancestors, wherein offerings are made, ball of rice, then jalatarpanam, all these are done. So lupta pindodaka kriyaha. Deprived of these offerings, the ancestors will fall. Because the Kulagna, the person who has caused the entire race and family to be destroyed, he himself would have fallen, and hence the ancestors deprived of offerings will also fall. Shloka 43. दोषैरेतैकुलघ्नानां वर्णसङ्करकारकैः उत्साद्यन्ते जातिधर्मा कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः. दोषैरेतैः, we have to split it as doshaihi etaihi varnasankarakaihi. So by this dosha, for the kulagna, the person who has destroyed the entire family, shashvataha jati dharmaha kula dharmaha utsadyante. So the kula dharma, family tradition, jati dharma, the traditions of that particular caste, which have been followed for a very long period of time, they will get destroyed. Shloka 44. Utsanna kuladharmanam manusyanam janardana narake niyatam vaso bhavatityanu. So Arjuna says, Hey Janardana, Hey Krishna, Utsanna kuladharmanam manushyanam, for such people who have caused about the destruction of their entire family and destruction of the dharma of the family, narake aniyatam vasaha. So they will be in Naraka for a long period of time. Niyata means to fixed duration. So aniyata for a long period of time. Bhavati ityanu. We have to split it as Bhavati iti anushruma. Anushruma. Like that we have heard. Shloka 45. Aho batamahat papam kartum vyavasita vayam yadra jasukalobena hantum swajana mudyataha. So Arjuna feels, vayam mahat papam kartum vyavasitaha. Vyavasitaha, we are getting ready, we are getting prepared for doing something which is a great sin. Yadra jasukalobena, out of greed for the kingdom and comfort, swajanam hantum udyataha. We are getting ready to kill our own people. Shloka 46. Yadi mama pratikaram ashastram shastrapanayah dhartarashtrarane hanyus tanme kshemataram bhavet. So Arjuna goes on to tell, dhartarashtraha shastrapanayah, the sons of Dhritarashtra, armed with weapons, mama pratikaram ashastram, meaning mam apratikaram ashastram. Apratikaram means defenseless, ashastram without weapons. So it is better if the sons of Dhritarashtra, armed with weapons, rane hanyuhu, in this battle, let them kill whom mam apratikaram ashastram. So it is better if the Kauravas in this war kill me while I am in a defenseless state, unarmed. Tanme kshemataram bhavet. tat me kshemataram bhavet. That itself is better for me. I feel like that. That's what Arjuna says. Shloka 47. Sanjaya uvacha eva muktvarjuna sankhye ratopasta upavishat visrujya sasharam chapam shoka samvigna manasah. So Sanjaya is saying, eva muktva, telling like this, Arjuna shoka samvigna manasah. Arjuna, who is overcome with grief, shoka samvigna manasah. Mind is overcome with grief. Visrujya sasharam chapam, throwing away his bow and arrow. Sankhye, in this battle, ratopasta upavishat. He sits down in his chariot. So with this we complete chapter 1. Om Tatsaditi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishnarjuna Samvade Arjuna Vishada Yogo Nama Pratamodhyayah. Harihi Om.